Hi, hello guys. I just want to quickly make a little review on the book which I read. What happened was I was struggling trying to complete my book, so I said, you know what? Let me go to internet. Probably I'll find assistant. Then I went on YouTube. This was on the 21st of May. And then I came across this live video with someone called Emeka Osai. And then he was speaking to these guys. I think they were called Mikkel twins or Mackinson twins, something like this. So I was just having fun with them. If you actually go on that day, the video, you're gonna be seeing my messages to Emeka. Then I requested to get this book, The Blueprint. When I requested for it on the link, it said you have to put your details so they send the books to your address. I was like, if this guy is in Brazil or Canada, one of those places he mentioned he lives, it's going to take a couple of days before this book arrives. So I sent a message asking if there was an ebook copy or Kindle copy, you know. So he replied and said yes. So I purchased this book. It's not much. It was like $20, something like this. So I followed the instruction. All night I read this book. In fact, I completed my book within 5 days because every information you needed to complete your book is there. This guy is something else. That book, I'm making this review on his behalf. He's not asked me to do any of this. I just hope he see this video and see what I've done on his behalf, because I just want someone out there to get this book. Emeka book will literally teach you how to write your book from the start until you publish it. There's good information in this book which will help you, even if it's your first book or you're trying to write a Kindle book, you want to be a Kindle publisher, which I think I will be contacting Emeka regarding that, because I think I really want to do something on that line, because it's really educative. Hopefully I'll send this little review to Emeka and I'll hear what it's gonna say, because I just want someone out there to get hold of this book. It's something you're gonna love having in your desktop. That's it, people. Hope you're having fun wherever you are in the world. Take care. Bye. It's Tessie from London. Cheers.